Well, viewers, I was building a German train from the Second World War, and this is the helper. It's not the real train yet, but it looks good. It looks good. And this will be the carrier for the troops. And this will be a helper to get the shells to the gun. And it's goddamn good. I'm going to build a big beta. So this is, it's a training model. I'm building a big track, and this is a training model, and this is the winter model. And I think I can build a bigger model. And this is the autumn model for the gunners and the other stuff. Look at the train I made. Goes like choo-choo. So I think I will build a big cannon. I will build a big cannon, and it will be funny.